For the camper, when it's real oxidized, I use this product here called Zephyr or Zephyr, Z-E-P-H-Y-R. I don't know truly how to pronounce that, so forgive me. And it's a polishing wheel. And with this, I do use headphones and a mask because it is kind of loud, high RPMs, and it stirs up a lot of dust or a lot of powder residue. I use the same company, use their wax that comes in different colors for different grades, or from polishing all the way up to real heavy compounding. And this is the green bar. I apologize for not knowing what grade this is because I destroyed the wrapper somehow when I took it off. But I have started the bottom just a little bit here. Let me get the camera where you can see it. We will do the door with this because this really speeds it up, and it takes this dullness, whatever it is, off. Normally I use this, like I said, with heavy oxidation, but it seems to be working pretty good here, and it definitely saves time on the polishing part. So basically, put a little bit on the wheel. Take a whole lot. As a time saver, I highly recommend you get one of these. Helps tremendously. Okay, so you can see the difference here. I'm going to zoom in of what that wheel did. Definitely took a lot of that. Well, I don't even know what it is, but whatever that film was that I couldn't get off with the chemicals, it took it on off. It might even be some sort of oxidation underneath it. I don't know. But there's where I polish. Nuvite 9. And I think what I'm going to do is move on down with Nuvite 9 all the way on down the rest of the camper, and then I'll come back with 5 and get the scratches that Nuvite 9 put in out. Okie doke. We did Nuvite 9 and we followed up with Nuvite 7, and this is what we have so far. I might hit it one more time with 7, and then all it'll need is the polishing. We're using New Shine S. It's called a Cyclo, C-Y-C-L-O, and this is the Model 5 right here. Man, I'm talking about getting a suntan. Stand in front of this. Whew. That's very nice. Here's the final. That's the final look, and I've gotten all the swirls out of there. I'm really happy with that. I've got this whole thing to do. But if I can get it looking like that when I'm finished, I think it'd be wonderful. Repaint that blue. I'm almost finished with this camper. I'll put it up for sale when it's done. Alright, if you like this video and you appreciate what you're seeing and the effort, and you have any nice thoughtful comments that might help with this, feel free to give a thumbs up and leave the comment. Take care, guys.